What's up, guys? Hope you are well. Welcome to another episode of Industry Changers podcast. And today we have Rahul Kamra with us, who has changed the fitness industry in his own way. A few years back, अगर कोई मुझसे पूछता कि यार, what do you think about keto? I would have always said, and मैं बहुत बार अपने पोस्ट वगैरह में भी कहता था that I personally find it totally bullshit. But this guy
Mm-hmm.
has made me believe that keto can be sustainable. And that's what we'll be discussing today. And we'll be discussing Rahul's journey from zero to starting his business, then growing his business to what? What is the number right now?
We did 1.25 CR last year
1.25 CR.
revenue.
And all this in a niche where, you get a lot of hate. And, I was also skeptical when I talked to Rahul when we were onboarding him a couple of years back. कि यार कीटो को कैसे कोई सस्टेनेबल बना सकता है बट this guy has changed my view and that's what we'll be discussing today and exact steps Rahul took to go from 3 lakh rupees a month when we started working together to now 13 to 15 lakh rupees every month, and everything is going up. So today's interview is how Rahul Kamra went from 3 lakh rupees a month to 13 lakh rupees a month in his online fitness business while becoming number one keto coach in the country and now facing tax and CA problems. And मैं ही नहीं कह रहा कि he's the number one keto coach. You can see Grazia, you can see top publications talking about him, interviewing him these days. Although I don't remember the exact publications where you have been
GQ.
published, Rahul. Yes,
GQ, there has
GQ is
been.
like,
So even if you ask ChatGPT and Google and you search for Keto Coach, the website comes as a top link, not just because of SEO, because of more
Hmm.
traffic as well. It's been 6 years into the industry. Anji.
That is awesome. So, it's not just me saying that because obviously I would want to pump up my clients, but, I totally believe that. And I'll share a short story before we start with Rahul's life and business journey. Then why do I think he's here right now, exact steps we took, and what are the future goals and top tips from Rahul, which would be like, absolute gold mine. So I'll give you some background. I always used to think keto is bullshit because मेरा खुद का भी experience खराब रहा था. मैंने back in the day try करी थी. Then I used to think that, most keto coaches are fooling people because, they just think that, okay, it's a gimmicky word. And a lot of people get attracted to keto. But let me tell you about Rahul. I was at his wedding a couple of months back. This guy didn't even eat carbs on I think it was a 2 to 3 day wedding. 2.5 days he was on keto. So the amount of belief he has in the process and the things which he is doing is on the next level. Did you have carbs on the wedding night?
Wedding night, yes. And my
Yes.
wife has been on keto for the last 4 years. So
Yes.
she was
So
also not on like carbs for the longest of times. We wanted to make sure that we are going to eat after once we're done with it. सर लहंगा इतना
yes.
महंगा है मैं क्यों खा के अपने आप को ब्लोट करके घूमता रहा हूँ yes
Right. So that is what, and that, made me realize. I already knew that, but, that made me realize that, this, when you have a mission and belief of this kind, you can change the world. And that is what, and the best part is this guy is making keto sustainable because my personal thought process generally also is like, yeah, keto sustainable. nahi hai, Then if something is not sustainable, you'll regain the weight. And we'll also talk about how Rahul is making it sustainable using his unique keto rates method. And that's what. So Rahul, before we start, those who are maybe watching this video for the first time, just saw the numbers or just saw the title and watching this video, थोड़ा सा मुझे context दो कि भाई, what is your business? What is your business model? Who do you help?
I help people adapt to ketogenic diet like a tool. I don't say that you have to be on it for the rest of your life. It's a medium you change your metabolic state. And in that, I have subcategories. So it could be somebody who is in business. It could be somebody who's just maybe who's a housewife, who's a new, college going student. Then the sub niche categories can be expanded into keto as a medium towards it. And this journey came from my personal experience of being on keto for the last 7 years of my life. 6 years of working with 1,000+ people, framing out a process and understanding that people care about only fat loss. आप क्लाइंट को कितना भी कोशिश कर दो बता दो न्यूट्रिशन सब चीजें उसके लाइफस्टाइल इंटीग्रेशन करवा लो उसको मतलब है भाई मेरा आई एम फैट राइट नाउ आई नीड टू गेन कॉन्फिडेंस आई नीड टू वेयर माय बेस्ट क्लोथ्स okay
Yes.
now with that there could be secondary kind of cases where I've been fortunate enough to work with cases of epilepsy, earlier stage Parkinson's. I work with my neighbor who has Parkinson's.
Hmm.
Bipolar disorder 1, 2. Neurotropic factors where BDNF factors are not obviously, BDNF is brain derived neurotropic factor, which does not work
Yes.
at its optimal limits itself.
Hmm.
Then you start working with people those who have PCOS, PCOD, diabetes, hypertension, cholesterol, could be lifestyle related problems. Then there is a separate category where because I stay in Bombay, so I work with actively for somebody who is preparing for a show. So there have been ancestors
Celebrities.
into the industry itself.
Yes.
Mohit Raina, when he was preparing for Uri, Pooja Gaur, she was recently also working with me because she had a new show. So so keto is one umbrella which has everything where I can literally target into. But when I
Yes.
look at 26 to 46 years of age, male, female, definitely having a stressful time in their professional life, personal life. Geographies which I'm focusing right now is not just India, because India हो चुका है मेरे लिए. India में एक certain limit है जहाँ लोग कहते हैं ना मेरे पास क्लाइंट्स नहीं आ रहे, मुझे पहले उसको कन्विंस करना पड़ता है तुझे कीटो क्यों चाहिए, फिर मुझे उसको बताना पड़ेगा ये तेरे को मैं आगे कैसे ले जाऊंगा आगे. So it's
that was actually my follow-up question. That's what I was going to ask you. कि भाई, do people come to you for fat loss, or do people come to you कि यार मैंने keto, I want keto as the medium for fat loss? Are they already convinced, or they need some convincing?
50% would be those who have tried keto in the past, those who have heard about it, but 50% would be new people, those who would trust you for the knowledge which you give.
Yes.
That's why at this point of time, I also have my YouTube channel @KetoRats, where I keep posting long form content. The idea is to educate people, first of all, just like how it changed your perception. The first time when we spoke, you simply were vocal about it. I don't believe in the idea of keto, but I'm open towards it because we started working in. However, when we dived into the process, when I said that, okay, I'm using it like a tool, then I help people get out of ketosis, which is introducing carbs, protein, reducing fats, moving to a low carb cycling routine so that they have their normal life. That is the vision behind all of this, that you need to accept the ground reality that nobody's going to be on keto like you. Like I've been on keto for the last 7 years, right? So कोई रहना नहीं चाहता जिंदगी में. But when you say that, okay, whom do you help? Anybody who's interested to be on ketosis.
Right.
अगर वो कहता है कि मेरे को कीटो नहीं करना है, मैं वहीं पे गेम छोड़ देता हूँ. मैं कहता हूँ नहीं ठीक है मत करो, कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं है. But when the person says कि I'm ready to explore, then you try to make them understand about insulin resistance, insulin sensitivity. You try to make them understand that low carb diet भी काम करेगी, vegan भी करेगी, paleo भी करेगी, keto भी करेगी. तुम्हारे पास 1000 तरीके हैं. हो सकता है maybe you may be a person who's taking care of your physical activity much more, but your dietary is important for fat loss. So it's not about convincing, it's about educating somebody.
Definitely. And letting them take a call.
Yes. So I've always been vocal about it to you also. I do not, which normally in fitness industry, which we say is that we get on-call payments. मैं मांगता नहीं हूँ, मेरे को नहीं चाहिए. वो बंदा जाए पहले आराम से अपने आप को थोड़ा सा एक बार define हो जाए, and then that person is going to do this. Because in the recent past also, when my head coaches were working, we had people on board जिसने रोटी खा ली, उसने चावल डाल दिया, उसने बोला cauliflower rice, मुझे लगा गोभी के साथ में चावल खाते हैं. तो I had to literally make that person educate कि भाई ये playlist है, इसको आपने देखना है. So ये एक जो working aspect है, I help people adapt to ketosis. But मेरे पास में simple cases नहीं आते हैं. And nobody comes to me saying that मेरा first time fat loss है, मुझे keto करना है. People have tried.
ये मैंने इसमें देखा है, because keto generally most people either they get it from a gym trainer or maybe they Google it. Google करते हैं कहीं से कि भाई ये है बस कार्ब छोड़ देंगे, but I don't think that's the right way of doing things, because nutrients and getting into it, getting out of it and everything else. And I think lot of people actually like it, because day 2, day 3 पे you start seeing some weight loss. You think okay,
water
wow,
weight loss हो गया.
Yeah, water weight.
1 week में start seeing measurements moving. So it works faster as compared to any other diet, because it is more formulated in factual terms. But it has its own pros and cons. You have to literally filter out people. For example, we do not proceed with anybody who does not share a blood report. जब तक मुझे surety नहीं है कि भाई बंदा healthy है, इसके बाद कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
That part is also important.
So there is responsibility also when you see somebody who's breastfeeding, they can't be on ketosis. Somebody who has type 1 diabetes, they can't be on keto. Somebody who has kidney function issues, EGFR पूरा हिला पड़ा है. You are like, नहीं. Filtration rate already गया हुआ है, kidney तो already load है. You may not want to do this. So all of this comes into a specific category.
Yes. So, guys, I have a pointer for everyone who's listening. Look at the amount of research this guy has done. Two things to learn from him here. One is that, he's ready to say no to people. And, one of the biggest lessons I have learned in my own businesses is that, more you are ready to say no to others, more you'll attract the gang which has your vibe, right? Because
Hmm.
when you have that energy that okay, I can say no to you because uh, if I think I can't help you, that is when people actually start trusting you and people sense that energy. So that has been game changer. And second thing which you need to learn is that yes, you can choose any unique mechanism, but you need to go in depths like Rahul has, the kind of research he has done, plus the kind of self research he has done. So Rahul bro, आपके लिए question है that
हाँ जी.
you just told us that you started doing keto 7 years back. So I would like to understand what's your story been on two
Hmm.
aspects in relation to your life. When did you decide कि, okay, I want to become a coach?
Hmm.
Who does who teaches keto? And second was
Hmm.
how did you discover keto? So I just want to know
Hmm.
about your early
Hmm.
life and the time when you started your business. तो ये
Hmm.
थोड़ा mix up हो जाएगा because I don't know whether you started your business पहले or you
Hmm.
started with keto पहले. So give
Hmm.
me context on that. And why did you decide that being
Hmm.
in Bombay uh,
Hmm.
and I think you have done hotel management before this.
Yes, yes. I'll give you
Yes.
I'll
So
give you a back
and
story about this.
yeah.
मैं थोड़ा
So I
excited.
want the
मैं
full story, bro.
क्रेडिट आया तो बड़ा खुश हो गया था मैं.
Yes.
Sorry. ये
Yes,
मजे
bro.
होते हैं जब 6 साल से इंडस्ट्री में काम करते हो.
Definitely right.
Before I get to the backstory, there was I'll give it very brief. I did my
Hmm.
hotel management. I was campus placement में Zomato आया. कभी नहीं आया.
Hmm.
उसके पहले साल भी नहीं आया, इस बार भी नहीं आया. बेटर सैलरी थी. होटल मैनेजमेंट करने के बाद मैं नहीं
Hmm.
करना था. हॉस्पिटैलिटी में काम कर लिया. ठीक है,
Hmm.
अच्छा लगा.
Hmm.
Did a lot of cutting, chopping, wrote a lot of recipes.
Hmm.
Zomato was releasing online ordering at that point of time.
Hmm.
And they were coming up
What
with
year is
another.
this?
This is 2014.
14.
So right after my college, I started working with Zomato. Started working as a sales manager. I was fit enough. मैं हर दिन अपना जिम वर्कआउट सब कुछ बिल्कुल प्रॉपर डाइट पे सब कुछ ढंग से है. प्रोटीन इंटेक बिल्कुल
Hmm.
प्रॉपर है. I used to be that fit person where people used to be, appreciative कि यार
Hmm.
अच्छा.
Hmm.
Stress came in. नया
Hmm.
प्रोडक्ट है ऑनलाइन ऑर्डरिंग. नया प्रोडक्ट है जोमेटो बुक जो हम लोग बुक करते हैं
Hmm.
बुक टेबल. एट
Hmm.
बॉम्बे के मार्केट में कर रहे हो तो दे हैड वेरी क्रूड वर्किंग
Hmm.
से expectations from people because I was a
Hmm.
star performer at that point of time. मुझे स्टार्टिंग
Hmm.
में कुर्ला भेज दिया था. कुर्ला
Hmm.
is a place in Bombay where to sell something to somebody is very difficult. Nobody could crack it.
Hmm.
So I left the company when I was disappointed कि यार ये Zomato book मेरे को प्रोडक्ट समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. And I
Hmm.
think I'm pretty much done with it. I may want to go for MBA or I may want to try my, things in acting
Hmm.
and everything.
Right.
But I ended up from being in my late 70s on the weight scale to 117 kgs. When on 3rd
Right.
January 2016, I started with my fitness journey. पहली चीज मैंने करी मैं जिम ज्वाइन करना है. मेरा न्यू रेजोल्यूशन
Right.
मैंने फॉलो करना है.
Hmm.
ठीक है.
Hmm.
Everything went well for 8 months. I lost close to 10, 11 kgs and then desperation came into place because you could see
Hmm.
other people saying that कि बॉडी बिल्डिंग स्टेरॉइड्स ट्राई कर लो, अच्छा एक काम करो, ये क्लेन T3 का
Hmm.
साइकिल लगा लो.
Hmm. Hmm.
I got very fascinated. I went to a trainer. I said that boss मेरे पास में है पैसा, कोई दिक्कत की बात नहीं, जो देना दे दे.
Hmm.
He gave me the exact cycle of testosterone proportionate,
Hmm.
Winstrol, Masteron, Trenhexa. There's something known as Anavar as well. Clen
Hmm.
T3 and DNP. DNP is dinitrophenol. जिसको नहीं पता वो
Hmm.
गूगल करके देख लो. बहुत ही तगड़ा फैट बर्नर है.
मेटाबॉलिज्म इंक्रीज करता है
ठीक है.
बहुत ज्यादा. Hmm.
बैंड बजा दी मेरी. मैं तो
Hmm.
लगा था. स्टार्टिंग बहुत अच्छा
That
लगा.
was the first time you tried anabolics, huh?
Yes, yes. I tried anabolics straight away. I
Everything
was
together.
desperate to lose fat.
Hmm.
I was
Ah, okay.
desperate to lose fat. मैं लोखंड वाला
Hmm.
बैक रोड पे अपनी गाड़ी पार्क करके
Hmm.
चुपचाप मैं 2-2 किलो योगर्ट खाता था. I used
Hmm.
to be so
Hmm.
mentally low at that point of time. तो मेरी
Hmm.
कोई रैग्स टू रिचेस की कहानी नहीं है. ये मैंने अपनी जिंदगी में
Hmm.
झेला, करा,
Yeah.
करने के बाद में then I stumbled upon keto because पूरी बॉडी पे एक्ने हो गया.
Hmm.
When you do a blood report and you see that body में testosterone produce नहीं हो रहा है and you have
Hmm.
clinical erectile dysfunction and the doctor also
Hmm.
says कि मतलब तुम अगर पॉन भी देख लोगे भाई तुम्हें कुछ नहीं होने वाला.
Hmm.
वो एक
Hmm.
लाइफ का स्टेज आता है जब
Yes.
आपकी आवाज बदलने लगती है, आपके
हाँ.
रिएक्शंस टुवर्ड्स योर पेरेंट्स चेंज होने लगते हैं, आपके
Hmm.
थॉट्स अलग होने लगते हैं.
Definitely.
एंड यू लाइक
Hmm.
डूड कर क्या ले आए, कर
Hmm.
कहाँ चले गए हो, राइट?
Hmm.
So then I went to a doctor. I said, okay, what to try? This is a dermatologist. His name is Dr. Surana. My dad's a doctor.
Hmm.
Mom's a nutritionist
Hmm.
herself.
Hmm.
So I
Hmm.
have been connected to the industry very well in terms of
Hmm.
medical plus
Yeah.
nutrition wise. मेरे पास किताबें आती रहती है काफी बार पढ़ने के लिए भी इस वजह से. So I stumbled upon keto after he recommended. A
Hmm.
dermatologist recommended कि keto try
Right.
कर, insulin spike की वजह से तेरा acne बढ़ेगा. थोड़े दिन के
Hmm.
लिए ट्राई कर, देख acne ठीक होता है. obviously more benzoyl peroxide, isotretinoin, ये सारी जो medications
Hmm.
होती है जो
Hmm.
normally आप skin के लिए use करते हो, क्योंकि पीठ पे भी acne है।
Yes.
तब से एक दिमाग में है कि I purchase a lot of white t-shirts now, because
Hmm.
तब मैं white
Hmm.
t-shirt पहन नहीं सकता था।
Hmm.
पिंपल फूट गया पीछे से, ऐसे ब्लड का
Hmm.
स्पॉट आ गया है, तो वो एक
Oh,
ऐसा डार्क फेज भी था लाइफ का,
it was that
where
bad कि
yeah, it was that bad
blood
कि
आ जाता था.
it's
Hmm.
completely gone, and I started
Hmm.
keto like a fad. I said जिंदगी में कुछ नहीं जाता।
Hmm.
27th November 2017 I started keto. For the first week I was puking back to back. मैं हर दिन अपनी
ठीक है.
फैट ज्यादा खाता था, मेरे को उल्टी हो जाती थी, मेरे को अजीब सा लगता था, बट आई केप्ट गोइंग ऑन। फर्स्ट ईयर, फर्स्ट
Guys,
मंथ।
sorry to cut you, bhai. Guys, for everyone's clarity, puking does not happen on keto. मतलब, I mean, you would be able to explain in a better manner. I don't
Yeah,
want people to think कि भाई first week में, I mean, why did that happen? And
yeah.
yeah,
I was making mistakes. So there's a phenomena called as keto flu. Your body simply cuts down all the carbohydrates and gets into ketosis. I was making a mistake that I was not eating good fats. Good fats being like butter, ghee, cream, cheese, or either you can say olive oil, coconut oil. I was eating a lot of processed things. I thought that keto is all about processed food. And I
Hmm.
used to feel myself that this is a rich man's diet, because जब आप Google करोगे तो
Yes,
avocado, bacon और cheese दिखाई देगा। You're like,
right,
क्या खाने वाले हो उसके अंदर?
right.
इंडिया में क्या खाओगे?
Hmm. Hmm.
So experimentation started. First month I lost like 9 kgs. Next month I saw 7 kgs. Then I saw 6 kgs. Then I continued the journey because I could see my acne improving. That
Right.
point of time I used to keep like मेरे को दाढ़ी नहीं, मतलब I was not supposed to trim it because I had acne.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
थोड़े से not this long hair, but I
Hmm.
had definitely थोड़े से ऐसे shabby थे बाल
Hmm.
and everything. I got myself groomed up.
Hmm.
My family was surprised, obviously. So
Hmm.
keto continued. It was not a
Hmm.
part of my career. This point of
Hmm.
time, I was working with a casting company in Bombay. I did event
Hmm.
management. There was a time when I had invested in Uber as well, and then
Hmm.
my driver went to for a leave. And in fact, at that point of time, I was literally driving out around taxis in Bombay. I
Hmm.
have my license as well, which is LMBTR license. Okay,
This is interesting. This was what year, bro? This is very
this
interesting to
is
know because मेरे को अभी भी because I have had long conversations with Rahul multiple times about business and
uh,
life and stuff
uh,
like that. This is very interesting for me also.
So
What year
this
was
is
this,
in
bro?
2016, 2017. When I was trying my bodybuilding steroids and everything, I said, let's
Hmm.
try a way of, earning money also. Let's get into
Yes.
business. So business
Yes.
acumen हमेशा था कि यार कुछ तो
Right.
करना है।
Hmm.
ठीक है, एक डिजायर ले लिया, स्विफ्ट डिजायर उबर में चलती है, ड्राइवर
Hmm.
चला गया छुट्टी पे,
Hmm.
you are making losses, then you are like, what to
Hmm.
do? You apply for a license, you start driving. So I drove for 8 months straight, where
Hmm.
I literally did trips here
Hmm.
and there with 22 plus trips. घर में एक मॉडिफाइड थार है, बहन के पास में
Hmm.
मर्सिडीज है, बट मजा उसी बात का है कि भैया आगे से राइट देना। ओके और हिट होता है।
Yes.
यू
Hmm.
यू गेट टू दैट ग्राउंड लेवल इटसेल्फ कि अच्छा यार
Hmm.
तुम क्या हो, तुम यही हो
Hmm.
अभी लाइफ में,
Right.
राइट? सो देन इन 2018 व्हेन आई वाज कंटिन्यूइंग कीटो, I tried quite a lot of things. Like I tried event management, I was in casting for a while, then I was helping a friend with a restaurant. On 9th January 2019, a very close friend of mine, he owns a pharmaceutical company. His name is
Hmm.
Ayush. He's based in Dubai
Hmm.
and Delhi. He gave a suggestion, yaar, you've been on keto for so long. Why don't you educate yourself?
Right.
So ketogenic secrets का short form बना Ketorets.
Hmm.
अभी मैंने टी शर्ट भी
Right.
पहन के रखी है, इसमें दिखाई नहीं दे रही लोगों
Hmm.
को। अरे यार तो
That's
क्या
what
बताऊं?
That's what I was thinking when we got on this call. I should also work on my branding that way.
So I
Instead
have
of
a
wearing.
lot of things. In
Hmm.
fact, I have like a pen here which is specifically ketogenic ketorets, इस पे लिखा हुआ है पेन पे, और साथ में
Hmm.
मेरे पास में बाकी सारी चीजें भी हैं, keep my cards and everything, which I like wearing.
Yes. Yes.
Obsession of the brand is something which
Hmm.
obviously drives you towards it.
Yes. Definitely.
So 9th January 2019, over a cup of tea, this started. I just immediately made an Instagram page, Gmail account ले लिया है. Now his idea was that why would you not work at a clinic? So
Hmm.
you work at a clinic as like an intern. Like it's
Hmm.
Aesthetic Solutions is a place in Villepalde. They have people
Hmm.
coming for non-surgical procedures.
Hmm.
After talking to 250 plus females in these 4 months, where after 4 months, a college friend became my first KetoNets member, like first client
Right.
ever. And this is when you say that, okay, you can start selling things to your friends and family and you tell people about it. So I started
Hmm.
posting on my personal page as well. I always made a brand page different, which is something which I feel right now
What
is
was the
different.
time between you making the? I mean, what was the timeline between you making your page? मतलब वो that coffee conversation with your friend which made you
9th
decide कि यार
January 2019 से 14th April 2019,
मतलब 3.5 months बाद
थ्री
ही
एंड
got
हाफ
got your
मंथ्स
first
बट मैं
client.
एक्टिवली किसी को नहीं ट्राई कर रहा था। वो पहली
ठीक है,
बंदी
you were
पहले
like
फोन पे आई बात हुई, मैंने कहा हाँ जी ठीक है, इसके हिसाब से इतने इतने पैसे होंगे। उसने बोला मैं अभी के अभी ट्रांसफर करती हूँ, आई ट्रस्ट यू, मैंने तेरी जर्नी देखी है, मैं चाहती हूँ यार ये करना।
hmm.
शी was at that point of time, her name is Purvi Salyan, very close college
Right.
friend,
Right.
stays in Australia. तो पहला एक्सपीरियंस ही आपका इंटरनेशनल पेमेंट्स हो रहा है, पहला
Right.
एक्सपीरियंस ही आपका डिफरेंट टाइम जोन से हो रहा है.
Right.
और तब के टाइम पे मैं इतना सेंटिमेंटल होता था, मैं रात को अपना फोन म्यूट पे नहीं सोता था. अभी
Hmm.
आई हैव अ लॉट
I
ऑफ
was also like
नोटिफिकेशंस.
this. I
Yeah.
was also like this
So,
for the first 2
so
years. After
I
that, I
would get on
realized
a
it will
video
fuck
call,
my brain.
help them to, shopping list and everything.
Hmm.
But in these 3 months between the first person, when I was working at Aesthetic Solutions,
Hmm.
I could speak to so many people, those who had प्रॉब्लम्स लाइक अच्छा हम सुबह वड़ा पाव खा लेते हैं, फिर हम आ जाते हैं अपना फैट लॉस करवाने के लिए. उनको अवेयरनेस की बहुत ज्यादा कमी थी.
Hmm.
And they were so desperate. Like some of them simply said this ki, after I've got married, I've had kids and everybody and all of this, and my weight has gone up by 20 kgs. It was like they know that they're doing a disservice to their relationship, which
Yeah.
is the hardest hitting part. Because I
Hmm.
got recently married like in 50 days and I was out for 10
Hmm.
days for business, and my wife doesn't have a problem. I'm lucky, I can say.
Hmm. Hmm.
But
Hmm.
a lot of people, they have these kind of issues that they have gained fat after they get married, and they're like,
Hmm.
okay, now I need to do something about it.
Hmm.
So that learning came into place. Now here's the fun fact which started in. So in April 2019, I did 33,000 rupees of business.
Hmm.
In May, I did 87,000 rupees of business.
Hmm.
In the month of June, I did 1,87,000 rupees of business, and in the month of July, I was above 3 lakh rupees. मैं
July
4
3
महीने
lakh.
में मैं 4 महीने में 3 लाख से ऊपर चला गया था बिजनेस में.
This is July 2019, right?
19, yes. April 14th को पहला Ketorets member बनाए.
Hmm.
July तक I'm handling 35-40 people. I have a proper introduction document. I have a
Hmm.
pattern in place. I'm sending
Hmm.
manually everybody recipes, what to eat,
Hmm.
what not to eat.
Hmm. Hmm.
I'm guiding them every day. I'm working for 14 hours. I'm focused so much towards it that I'm doing 3
Hmm.
lakh rupees plus in July 2019 itself. And then by November, I hit my highest 576 that time. यकीन नहीं हो रहा था. सबसे पहली
That is
चीज
awesome.
what I did was I took my car and I said modify करो. मेरे पास modified Thar है. बिल्कुल रोड लीगल
Hmm.
नहीं है वो.
Yes.
ठीक है.
Yes.
I said सारी फुकरी खर्चे कर लेंगे.
Hmm.
टूटा हुआ फोन था पीछे. मैंने सबसे पहले जाकर के उसी टाइम पे जब नया आईफोन आई थिंक 11 Pro Max आया था, that's what I bought full in cash, and I was like, नहीं यार ये तो जरूरत है, I need to work. मेरे पास काम करने के लिए फोन नहीं है. And a lot of times my phone had a cover, पीछे का ग्लास जब टूटा होता है sometimes वो हाथ पे लग जाता है मुझे. So family was supportive. Family was also very skeptical. My dad also was, asking these questions to me. क्या करोगे, इसके आगे फ्यूचर क्या है, क्या सोचते हो, what is the potential of this. So all of this came into how I started. And I simply say this for anybody who's starting this at this point of time, you should have a backstory to where you are and why you are in this industry. I, at times, have really bad days. I hate it. जब लोग जैगरी डाल देते हैं फैट कॉफी में, ठीक है, बहुत चिढ़ मचती है. But there are days when I say that this is what I signed up for, and this is what I love doing with people. Because when you transform somebody, you definitely see a different kind of happiness and a different kind of gratitude from the other person, and it is surreal. It is definitely much more different.
And इसमें बड़ी
Yes,
interesting
please.
चीज बताता हूँ ब्रो कि everyone has a story. But whenever, because one thing which I've realized is कि knowing your story is one of the most important things to differentiate yourselves. But whenever I ask a new coach, someone joining FBE or FBA, I ask them, what interesting thing has happened in your life, or, we frame it in a way that, what made you start? Most of the times they don't think their story is good enough, but the story has so many elements that your story has so many elements कि मैंने 2 notes तो करे that after this interview I'm going to get on a call with you and I'm going to tell you कि भाई ये दोनों angles use करने start करो in your marketing content and stuff. Literally I made notes of 2 things here because I noticed so that is what your story is very important. And if you have a genuine backstory where you transformed yourself or something like that, that is the most powerful thing, and that's something which can't be copied from you. And that way Rahul has a very very, very strong story. So Rahul, question for you, bhai. When did we start working together? That was 2000?
We started working in August. We started working in June 2023. I signed up on 26th June to be precise. I was
Nice
discussing
memory.
first
Keto improves
June
memory.
2023. First June 2023 FB के उसपे मेरे पास मैसेज है, और जो मेरी मतलब I got married recently. My wife was my girlfriend at that point of time. She said message करना. And I came across, so I'll tell you the problem which happened with me. 2019 I did 33 lakhs. 2020 I did 52 lakhs. Boom, मजा आ गया. COVID में बहुत सारा पैसा.
Then that was my follow-up question that you were at 6 lakhs at this time, but when
हाँ
we started working together, you were at 3 lakhs, right? Yeah,
नहीं
please.
तो
Give me
वो
context on that.
आप एक पीक पे चाहते हो ना, आप एक पीक पे
हम्म,
चले गए, फिर आप वापस नीचे चले गए।
ठीक है।
2021 जुलाई तक मैंने कोई मार्केटिंग नहीं करी थी, मेरा
हम्म,
सारा ऑर्गेनिक बिजनेस था। ओके,
हम्म,
सो
हम्म,
ऑर्गेनिक बिजनेस के अंदर मैंने ऑलरेडी फर्स्ट ईयर 33 लाख करा, सेकंड ईयर मैंने 52 करा, थर्ड ईयर विच इज
हम्म,
22
हम्म,
की बात कर रहा हूँ। आई वाज एट
हम्म,
47 एंड 23 जब
हम्म,
23 मार्च खत्म हो रहा था, आई वाज
हम्म,
अगेन बैक टू 34। जनवरी में मुझे हिट होता था कि यार मेरा 187 पे अटक गया है। आई एम रनिंग ऑन एडवर्टीजमेंट्स, आई एम
हम्म,
रनिंग so many ads and so many
हम्म,
interesting ads and different kind of, एक ऐसे प्लेट में चप्पल आ रही है, कुछ अलग
हम्म,
से कुछ
हम्म,
क्रिएटिव हो रहा है। I've
हम्म,
experimented so much. I need somebody who can literally dissect and tell me where is the problem. Okay.
हम्म, हम्म,
And with this, I was very happy. I was
हम्म,
having a छोटा team, no break-even issues, कोई ज्यादा नहीं है। There is only one,
हम्म,
website which I created in 2020, उस पे मेरा SEO चल रहा है, because I always thought in my head कि यार अगर कल को Instagram कुछ करता है मेरे अकाउंट के साथ में तो मैं कहाँ जाऊंगा, मुझे आज भी
Correct.
वो डर लगता है। But today when I say that I have 850 plus visitors every
हम्म,
single month,
हम्म,
unique
हम्म,
visitors,
हम्म,
and from US, UK, all my international acquisitions happen because of the website, because people
हम्म,
actually go there. एंड
हम्म,
कीटो में लिस्ट करना आसान है, नॉर्मल
हम्म,
किसी न्यूट्रिशन वाले में आप एसईओ करवाते रह जाओ जिंदगी भर, आप ऊपर पता नहीं फर्स्ट पेज
हम्म,
पे कब आओगे। सो
definitely.
दैट वाज द मोर एडवांटेज पार्ट ऑफ इट। सो आई हैड टू पीपल, टू फ्रीलांसर्स, शार्दुल
हम्म,
एंड हितेश। शार्दुल
हम्म,
हेल्प कर रहा था मेरी मार्केटिंग के लिए 2021 से, हितेश मेरी हेल्प कर रहा था वेबसाइट की, जो मेरा पहला बंदा था
हम्म,
2020 से।
हम्म,
नाउ आई हैड हायर्ड अ न्यू एडिटर इन जुलाई 2023 एंड आई
हम्म,
रियलाइज कि मैं अपनी यूट्यूब वीडियोस खुद ही एडिट कर रहा हूँ। मैंने जनवरी से अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट करी। माय थॉट वाज कि
हम्म,
अच्छा लॉन्ग फॉर्म कंटेंट बनाते हैं।
हम्म,
एंड जून के टाइम पे जब मेरी बात हो रही थी, सो आई स्पोक टू यश मात्रे फ्रॉम योर टीम।
हम्म,
ही इज ऑन द कॉल, ही इज टेलिंग मी अबाउट डिफरेंट थिंग्स ऑल टुगेदर।
हम्म,
आई सिंपली पुट दिस पॉइंट अक्रॉस कि बॉस मैं पिछले 4 से 5 साल ये बिजनेस कर चुका हूँ,
हम्म,
मुझे बेसिक्स को जरूर इंप्रूव करना जरूरी है, बट मुझे अभी
हम्म,
इसकी प्रॉब्लम ढूंढनी।
हम्म,
एंड व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड, I can averagely say I was at 3 lakh rupees. We were working for 3 months in FBM Mastermind, which I think at this point of time, you do not look at, you look at very selective people to work in that front.
yes.
So it was direct access with you. It was obviously in a group format where I used to, we used to only interact most of the times.
हम्म,
क्योंकि मैं
yes.
टेक्निकल के भी टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन
No,
से चले जाता था।
it was not a group format. It was group format in the sense there were two
हाँ
coaches,
मतलब
me and
दे
another
बोथ
coach, but
वुड
it
दे
was
बोथ
like
वुड टेक केयर
private.
ऑफ
It was
अकाउंटेबिलिटी
private
कि यार
coaching.
मैसेज
Yeah.
आया है, पता
Hmm,
है
hmm,
चीजें क्या है। एंड इट वाज सो लॉट ऑफ चैट्स वर हैपनिंग ऑन अ पर्सनल नोट एज वेल। मेरे पास सारे वॉइस नोट्स है। देयर आर टाइम्स वेयर यू सेड
hmm,
कॉल मी, और मैं कोई इशू के साथ में
hmm,
डील कर रहा हूँ एंड आई एम
hmm,
लाइक ठीक है चलो एक बार बात करके देखते हैं।
hmm,
एंड आई हैव सैट इन द सेम रूम ओवर देयर फॉर लाइक 40 minutes। आई हैव स्पोकन टू यू अबाउट यू नो
hmm,
द मेथड, द फॉर्मेशन। सो
hmm,
द आइडिया वाज टू कम टू FBA with not in terms of increasing my business, to
hmm,
validate myself कि क्या कीटो सैचुरेटेड है।
hmm,
ओके, सेकंड थिंग वाज कि आज के टाइम पे आई बीन सीइंग ट्रेन बाय YBS as a brand since 2017, so I knew
hmm,
Tarang Chandola. Tarang used to
hmm,
be in the same society. In
hmm,
COVID he used to have his own setup. Now people
hmm.
those who don't know who is Tarang is a common friend of, I can say,
DOG.
yeah, the person who used to discuss so many things about his, and I'm a big fan of his work and whatever he
Me
does.
too.
I had met him in the gym once, twice. We had a very brief conversation and he mentioned about you. Second thing was you were in Bali with a guy called Guneet Singh Sodhi. और गुनीत है
Yes.
मेरा बहुत क्लोज फ्रेंड बॉम्बे का। तो आई मेट हिम एट अ कैफे एंड आई टोल्ड हिम इन द मंथ ऑफ मे कि यार आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ कनेक्टिंग विद यू नो YBS and his team and I want to be with FPA. So he had pushed me. He said, भाई करके तो देख. I met him personally and you may see things and everything. बट मुझे तब भी यकीन
Yes.
नहीं होता था। मैंने कहा यार मतलब मैं कीटो करता हूँ,
Hmm.
और ये स्टोरी पे कहते थे कंट्रोवर्शियल कीटो। मैंने कहा मैं इनको कैसे बताऊं।
Definitely.
मैं
मैं था मेरा भी यही व्यू टू बी
हाँ,
ऑनेस्ट.
तो देन उसके बाद में things when started. So then the journey obviously started with FPA. Then now it is with FBE, which is obviously happening. Yes.
Yes. So very interesting thing, guys.
Hmm.
Those who are FBE members and जिनको मैंने coaching method वगैरह सिखाना start किया and everything else. Rahul was the guy जिसके लिए सबसे पहले हमने coaching method build किया था.
Yes.
Because when I worked with Rahul, उस time भी I wasn't working one on one with anyone, but with Rahul, listening to his story and everything else, we were like, okay, seems like a great fit. And now I remember the timeline also because I reviewed one of your check-ins, one
Hmm,
of your first happy check-ins when I was myself in I was in Cappadocia, proposing
hmm,
my girlfriend. So that was first week
hmm,
of July.
hmm,
So I
hmm,
think that was your first check-in only,
hmm,
first or
hmm,
second
hmm.
check-in. And
No,
okay,
so
so Haji.
there were problems with it, in fact. This is something which I want to highlight. पहले मैं 2 हफ्ते तक तो I was not even serious about it.
Hmm,
मुझे लगता था यार ये क्या किताबें पकड़ा दी, क्या बता दिया कोर्स करने के लिए, कौन बैठ के ये बेटर कोच बनेगा भाई, कहाँ से ऑफर फाइल
hmm,
आएगी,
hmm,
क्या अथॉरिटी स्टोरीज
hmm,
होती हैं, क्या मतलब है। जो एफबीए स्टार्टर, एफबीए स्केल और एफबीए वाले लोग हैं, उनका मेरा सिर्फ सिंपल से कहना है, तुम्हें शुरुआत में लगेगा,
hmm.
ठीक है, कि ये सिर्फ एक कोर्स, जब तक
इसमें एक
अप्लाई नहीं
चीज मैं कट
करोगे।
कर देता हूँ, इसमें एक चीज कट
हाँ
कर देता हूँ।
हाँ
बहुत बार
हाँ।
क्या होता है, राहुल लेवल के कोचेस जब आते हैं, दोज हु हैव ऑलरेडी डन अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स,
हम्म हम्म
ऑलरेडी हैव सीन सम
हम्म
सक्सेस। मतलब व्हेन राहुल केम टू मी, ही वाज मेकिंग 34 lakhs a year. Lot of people describe that as success and it is success. मैं ये नहीं
हम्म
बोलूंगा आप फॉर एग्जांपल इज एट करोड़, सब हम 30 वाले को ये नहीं बोलेंगे कि भाई दैट्स नॉट सक्सेस। ऑनलाइन
हम्म
बिजनेस में इफ यू आर मेकिंग 30 ऑल्सो, यू आर स्टिल टॉप 1% ऑफ द कंट्री नाउ।
हम्म,
3.5 lakhs अगर बना रहे हो पर मंथ। सो
100%।
दैट वे ही वाज ऑलरेडी सक्सेसफुल। मैंने एक प्रॉब्लम क्या देखी सक्सेसफुल कोचेस के साथ, एज अ कोच माई सेल्फ एंड इवन विद माई सेल्फ, दैट सक्सेसफुल कोच को बोलो कि भाई थोड़ा बेसिक्स पे जाके थोड़ा बेसिक्स को बेटर करो, दे ऑलवेज थिंक व्हाट द फक, सॉरी फॉर द
हम्म
लैंग्वेज, बट दे लिटरली थिंक दैट बिकॉज दे थिंक कि यार ये बेसिक्स मैं क्यों करूं। बट फैक्ट ऑफ द मैटर इज, इफ योर बेस का कुछ भी मिसिंग है,
हम्म
then the root of your tree, the root of your business would be weak and your business would not grow long term. तो अगर मैं बोरिंग चीज किसी को करवाता हूँ, if you are a client listening to us right now or listening to me right now, these things are important and you can ask the guy himself
मैं,
who
there's
felt the
one more
same.
point to add this. So
Hmm,
my
hmm,
my partner, my Mashuga said this. क्या करेगा, नहीं करेगा तो क्या करेगा बता। What will you
hmm,
do right now? Why do you think he's asking you to do this? He's aware that you have been into the business for so long. उसको तेरा टाइम वेस्ट
yes.
करके कोई फायदा नहीं है भाई। He wants you
Hmm,
to grow. You are going to be
hmm,
one of his case studies in an industry where he has not maybe, let's say, experienced somebody being as a keto coach. I said, yes, you're right. And she simply said this. Why would you question the overall process? तुम्हें दिया गया है, तुम उसको फिनिश करो। तो
hmm,
ये मेरे को जब उसने बोला है, मैंने 72 आवर्स में
hmm,
अपने नोट्स बना के
hmm,
implementation करना स्टार्ट करा। I
hmm,
personally feel that when it is your guidance which has helped me at
hmm,
my end, if you're not an executor, if you're not a person who's ready to put in the efforts, आपको पता ही नहीं आपका रिजल्ट क्या निकलेगा, फेल हुए के पास हुए।
hmm, hmm,
तो अगर आप उसके पहले
yes.
ही बैठ जाओगे कि अच्छा कुछ पता नहीं थाली पे मिलने वाला है और आपके साथ में कुछ हो जाएगा, और आपके पास में आपको ये लग रहा है कि
Hmm,
अच्छा आप कंटेंट पोस्ट कर रहे हो, या आप अगर आप सिर्फ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन पोस्ट कर रहे हो बट आपका कन्वर्जन प्रोसेस अच्छा नहीं है,
hmm,
आप कन्वर्जन भी अच्छा कर लेते हो, आप सेल भी कर देते हो, बट आपका
hmm,
रेन्यूअल ही नहीं है, आपको
hmm,
कोई बेस ही नहीं मिल रहा कभी बिजनेस का,
hmm,
तो आप कभी ग्रो नहीं कर पाओगे। विच आई गेट टू नंबर्स एट अ लेटर पॉइंट, बिकॉज माय ब्रेक
hmm,
इवन एवरी सिंगल मंथ इज अबव 6-7 लाख रुपीज, जो एक
hmm,
इंसान की एवरेज एक अर्निंग के हिसाब से होती है। दैट
hmm,
इज द काइंड ऑफ मनी विच आई एम स्पेंडिंग इन एड्स एंड राइट नाउ इन सैलरीज एज वेल।
hmm.
बट हाउ डू यू ब्रेक द बिगर नंबर इज by looking at smaller metrics first, by improving your basic as well.
आपका break even pointer is not right. Actually, I was thinking about this the other day because the next month
Hmm,
when you spend money for
hmm,
ads, that's an investment. That's not an expense. तो वो ad cost सारी minus होती है
हाँ,
because that's for the next month. तो वो minus
but
होके ना actually your break even is much lower. Anyway,
my
we'll
break
get
even
to
is
that.
much lower, which I know
Uh,
that,
we'll
बट
get
ना
to that.
नींद बहुत अच्छी आने लगेगी। फिर
That
मैं
is there.
कंप्लेसेंट हो
Hmm,
जाऊंगा, फिर मैं बोलूंगा
hmm,
छोड़ो, अच्छे खासे पैसे आ रहे हैं, सब कुछ हो रहा है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन द लास्ट ईयर आई डिड what I used to earn before, which is 33, I did 43 in just renewal business.
hmm,
मुझे कुछ नहीं करना पड़ा, वो बंदा अपने आप खुशी खुशी तैयार है कंटिन्यू करने के लिए, क्योंकि आप एक अच्छी सर्विस दे रहे हो, आप उसको एक
hmm,
अच्छी जर्नी बता रहे हो, you're telling the other person what next has to be done. When you have a base like that, you
yes.
don't have to worry about rainy days. You don't have to worry about कि भी गर्मी की छुट्टियां आने वाली हैं, मेरे पास में लोग नहीं आएंगे। You already have a
Yes, this is a
base
very
to look at.
this is a very very good point because अगर उस टाइम पे जैसे राहुल कह रहा है मुझे बेटर कोच बोरिंग लग रहा था, उस टाइम पे नहीं किया होता, मे बी रिन्यूअल्स वुड हैव हिट एंड दिस
Hmm,
गाय गेट्स लाइक
hmm,
4 to 5 lakhs ऑफ रिन्यूअल्स एवरी मंथ। नाउ 4 to 5 lakhs लोगों का गोल होता है कि भाई 4 lakhs में पहुंचना, 5 lakhs में पहुंचना। रिन्यूअल इज 100%, ऑलमोस्ट इन अ वे 100% प्रॉफिट। तो वो
hmm,
रिन्यूअल वाली चीज व्हेन यू स्ट्रेंथन, और ये कोचेस को सुननी नहीं पसंद। मतलब मेरे करंट क्लाइंट्स हैं जो हु आर मे बी कोचेस फॉर अ लॉन्ग लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम,
hmm,
डूइंग वेल, डूइंग 7 figures ऑल्सो, उनको भी मैं जब बोलता हूँ ना कि यार everything is good in your business. You need to work on renewals. You don't need a new funnel right now. You don't need more ad spend. You don't need more calls. You don't need more team. You need to work on renewals. वो भी एक बार they are taken aback, but after a while they do realize. So guys, building the base of your business, even if you are at 3 lakh rupees, 5 lakh rupees, 10 lakh rupees. I have worked with people who are like, at 20, 30 lakh rupees. And, there's a company who I generally consult, उनकी revenue मेरे से भी ज्यादा है. उनके भी मैं एकदम बेसिक चीज से करवाता हूँ. बट द थिंग विद दोज पीपल इज दोज पीपल रियलाइज कि यार हाँ, इफ दिस पर्सन इज सेइंग दैट makes sense, and they do the boring stuff also. Long story short, you will have to do boring stuff because what you think about your business is coming from an emotional standpoint versus what someone else. I'm not saying I'm the only person who can fix your business, but what's someone else who's experienced with growing businesses sees that from an objective standpoint. ऑब्जेक्टिव और सब्जेक्टिव में फर्क पड़ता है. ऑब्जेक्टिव मतलब न्यूट्रल स्टैंड पॉइंट, एंड न्यूट्रल स्टैंड पॉइंट से जो एडवाइस आती है, दैट्स ऑलवेज बेटर. तो दैट्स वन थिंग व्हिच वी नीड टू थिंक अबाउट. सो Rahul, back to your story. First 3 months of working together, I think we were able to get to 7 lakh rupees a month.
नहीं, we were able to do plus 10.
Okay.
I did 3x the monies. I did 2x the clients. I did 7x the investment which I made with you. You are the best mutual fund I have right now.
फिर से रिपीट करो भाई. ये तो मार्केटिंग वर्दी
मेरे
स्टफ है.
मेरे क्लाइंट्स जो थे वो थे उस टाइम पे 30-35. मैं 70-80 से ऊपर जा चुका था. I did 3x the clients. Okay. I did 3x the revenue. I did 2x the clients. From 30-35 I went to 70 clients. I did 3x the revenue. 3 लाख रुपए की जगह पे मैं 9 से 10 लाख रुपए छूने लग गया था. And I did 7x the money which I paid this man in front of you. So I made that much amount of money in a matter of 70 days. Yeah, so this is multiple six figures.
He paid me multiple six figures.
You gave me a negotiated deal. Otherwise, the deal was, I guess, close to 4.5 plus GST at that point of time. Today, it is definitely much more. Yes, for 3 months. For 3 months, 90 दिन खत्म. उसमें भी आप अगर मंडे अपना संडे चेक इन नहीं करोगे तो मंडे भाई रिप्लाई नहीं आएगा. आपको नहीं पता आप क्या कर रहे हो. And then with a lot of this is something which I want to highlight here. I am literally planning for a weekend with my girlfriend to step out somewhere out of Bombay, and I am in that emotional moment that let's go here and there. I get a voice note from YVS. ये जो तेरा planner है, there is some kind of process which I have, which is like a planner for a Keto member to visit. And there was a time when I used to physically send recipes, so I could find out a way at the back end to get it to another scalable level. ये प्लानर मंडे तक हो जाना चाहिए. भाई वीकेंड प्लान कैंसिल हो चुका है. बुकिंग कैंसिल करके बैठे हैं कि नहीं. And no, you don't have to. So this is where I personally feel, if you're a coach, if you're a single coach at this point of time, if you do not have a partner who's supportive enough for your business, you will have to also find out a partner who's supportive in your business. क्योंकि एड से चला लोगे, रिन्यूअल कर लोगे, सेल भी कर लोगे, लेकिन अगर तुम्हारे आसपास एनवायरनमेंट नहीं अच्छा तो कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा. फिर ढूंढ नहीं पाओगे किसी को. So that way she helped me obviously to sit down, do this. She said 8 घंटे काम करते हैं, रात को काम करते हैं, दिन में सोचते हैं कैसे करोगे, क्या करोगे. And obviously everything got executed in the right manner. But I would simply say that whatever happened at FPM Mastermind was also because I used to come back to you with some questions where I could myself feel that you may take some, you may accept it कि नहीं यार मेरे को थोड़ा सा टाइम चाहिए इसके लिए. Because I would get to that advanced level altogether. Like in this conversation, we're not talking about basic mediocre business right now. I'm not talking about 0 to 1 here. Yes. I'm talking of 10 to 15 here. Yes. I'm talking of somebody looking at scalability into this. Another point which you mentioned, which I wanted to add, whenever you have a renewal business, that business is your stable money, which you know. Your hiring cannot go above this because ये तुम्हारा income है. ये तुम्हारा income by acquisition हमेशा तुम्हारी किस्मत है. जब आप इसको ऐसे डील करने लगोगे और रेन्यूअल बिजनेस के एक एवरेज को आप हमेशा डील करोगे एज योर मंथली रेवेन्यू, तो आप डिसीजंस बेटर लोगे, तो आप ओवर हायर नहीं करोगे, तो आप ओवर प्रॉमिस नहीं करोगे, तो आप हो सकता है किसी दिन किसी महीने अगर आपका ब्रेक इवन कम भी होता है या अगर आपका ब्रेक इवन नहीं होता है कहीं पे भी बिकॉज ऑफ अ डूम्सडे और मे बी लेट्स से अ रेनी डे, you may still have your money in your account. Second thing which I have a personal way which I do this, never ever dilute your profits from the previous quarter. You keep those profits with you. You do not spend those profits. You keep those profits safe with you because you don't know what you're doing in the next quarter. And with the current market scenario, you will want to keep it for the next quarter as well, because the next quarter में अगर आपके सामने कुछ भी गलत हो गया, कितने लोग हैं जिनको हम जानते हैं जिनका मेटा अकाउंट मतलब इंस्टाग्राम गायब हो गया है, वो बंदा बेचारा पता ही
मेरे
नहीं
साथ
उसको
हुआ
कितना।
टेम्परेली,
हाँ
लिटरली
मतलब
मेरे
यू
साथ,
हैड
एंड
इट
यू नो
राइट।
आई एम वेरी वेरी कंप्लायंट, आई एम वेरी कंप्लायंट कि
यप
मतलब
यप
with everything, and but chalo, that
यप
does happen, and I experienced that myself in December, so that was a
I
big
feel,
problem.
I feel definitely at your level, maybe let's say when you do 95 lakh rupees of business, when you do
Hmm.
1 CR, close to 1 CR every month, you may not want to keep a quarter. But some people who are at their 3, 4, 5 lakh rupees, they have just started getting money. एक होता है नया
Hmm.
पैसा आता है, आपको नया पैसा
Hmm.
आता है, आपको अच्छा लगता है, आप जूते
Hmm.
लो, कपड़े लो,
Hmm.
चीजें लो, अपनी लाइफस्टाइल इंप्रूव करो,
Hmm.
गाड़ी बुक कर लो, चला लो। बट अगर आप पिछले क्वार्टर का पैसा छोड़ देते हो और आप उसको
Hmm.
अगले क्वार्टर में आप उसको रखे रहने देते हो, अगर वो यूज नहीं होता तो फिर आप उसको 6 महीने बाद में यूटिलाइज करना स्टार्ट करते हो, आप उसको अगर
Hmm.
इन्वेस्टेड रखते हो, यू विल नेवर हैव अ कैश क्रंच इशू, यू विल नेवर
Definitely,
एवर बी। हाँ।
yes,
हम्म,
my thought process is कि यार whatever your monthly expenses are निकालो,
हाँ।
और उसके 6 months का
हम्म,
रिजर्व शुड बी इन योर बैंक और इन्वेस्टेड समवेयर जहां से आप निकाल सकते हो, सो दैट इफ यू आर हैविंग अ स्लो
हम्म,
मंथ, you know कि 5 months also if things are fucked up, which never happens, literally
हम्म,
ज्यादा से ज्यादा 2 से 3 महीने खराब निकल सकते हैं, उससे खराब नहीं
हम्म,
निकल सकते.
हम्म,
Also guys, keep in mind that there are a lot of aspects in the market scenario, from marketing to sales to team. जब when you get into that team वाले part ना, that's when कई बार ब्रेक लग जाते हैं, वरना लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स वी स्टार्ट स्केलिंग एंड वी आर लाइक ओके अब ऊपर ही जाएगा, नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता, राइट. अ
हम्म।
ग्रोथ ऑफ 33% to 40% इज गुड. मतलब राहुल did 1.2 CR this year.
33, 70, 1.2 CR,
नहीं, अब ये वाला ईयर 1.2 CR के लास्ट वाला,
1.25।
तो इफ दिस टाइम he is doing 1.7, I am happy. But I know, deep inside I know we would be hitting close to 2 or even higher than 2. 2.4 तक भी चले जाए, मे बी एटलीस्ट एक
हम्म,
दो महीने उस रन रेट पे. बट इन माई माइंड आई एम लाइक 1.7 आ गया, मेरा काम खत्म है, आई एम चिल. एंड that is what you need to think about, because a lot of times what you think is कि यार मैंने एक बेस सेट कर लिया है, एड स्पेंड हो गई है, बंदे क्लोज होने स्टार्ट हो गए, बीच में बहुत फैक्टर्स आ जाते हैं. इंप्रूविंग आवर सर्विस,
हम्म।
इंप्रूविंग रिन्यूअल्स, लेवलिंग अप योर टीम. ही वाज लिटरली ट्रेनिंग हिज टीम फॉर द लास्ट वीक इन जयपुर. इसमें मैं फिर से रीट्रेट कर देता हूँ बिजनेस जर्नी सो फार. We started at 33 in 2019. Then we went to 52, 47, then 34. अब मैं बता देता हूँ मेरे हिसाब से 34 पे क्यों गया था उस टाइम भी बिजनेस. This was pre-working with us. That was because market scenario is changing really fast right now. Those who are not building a brand in the right direction, आप लोगों के लिए भी हर महीने चेंज हो रहा है. I don't like fear mongering people, because people might end up thinking कि अपनी सर्विस सेल करना चाहता है. That's not the case, but fact of the matter is कि अब scenario this year has been very hard, in the sense that if you are not a great coach, if you're not building a brand, if you don't have multiple systems in your business getting you leads and clients, you would be in a problem. And I'm not saying that, just see your business numbers. If your business is going up right now, you are already killing it. If your business is maintaining right now, you're doing fine. If your business is going down, you need to upgrade. Okay, so वी वर्क टुगेदर फॉर 3 months. इसमें एक और भी चीज बताता हूँ. फर्स्ट चेक इन के बाद मुझे फील आई कि राहुल के साथ फील आई कि यार ट्रस्ट इन प्रोसेस नहीं है. सो आई डोंट रिमेम्बर वेदर इट वाज वॉइस नोट और आई वेंट ऑन अ कॉल विद हिम. मैंने कहा कि
You
भाई
went on a
मैं,
call.
हाँ,
You literally
I-
discussed the
हम्म,
elephant in the room. You said these were your
हाँ,
exact words कि भाई देख तेरी मर्जी है, मैं ये कर चुका हूँ. You want to do this along with me, or you want to do this yourself? You need to decide. And when you said
yes.
that, it was a confrontation. मैंने
I
सामने
think
बोला,
maybe
मैंने
this
कहा,
was the call I had from Cappadocia.
yeah, this could be because I still
This was
remember.
the first second, I guess.
I was also surprised. यार ठीक है, प्रपोज करने गए हो, पीछे तो सारे हॉट एयर बैलून्स देख करके मुझे क्यों फोर्स कर रहे हो? ठीक है.
नहीं
So
नहीं, अब इसमें मैं एक और भी सिनेरियो बताता हूँ. मेरी यार, psychologically this has helped me a lot in business also, that if I'm charging this guy 3-4 lakh rupees for 3 months, I know this is a lot of money. Indian बंदे के लिए अच्छा पैसा, even if he's making a lot of money. I know that if I don't provide him the value, my business is going to go down, because I did not promise. तो मेरा भी थॉट प्रोसेस ये था कि भाई अगर 3 लाख है तो मुझे एटलीस्ट डबल आर ओ है, तो मैं वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो सोचता हूँ 2 to 3x आर ओ है तो निकाल के ही देनी है. बट इन आर केस आर ओ आई वॉज 7x in 3 months. And it's actually not 7x. I'll tell you why. Because when you are building a business the right way, बेस आपने इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग कर दिया है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऑफर फाइल, सर्विस, रिन्यूअल फिक्स कर दिए. You haven't fixed them for 3 months. You have fixed them for your whole life. imagine you don't fix the basics of your business, these would hurt you for your whole life of your business, right? So in a way, ROI is actually much higher. But us time pe ROI was very good, and most importantly, it was Rahul and his partner who always guided him in the right direction. Who after getting a scolding was like, "Yeah, I trust this person." And after that, जो हमारी energy थी of working together, it was like on the next level. That even
100%.
I remember कि 3 months खत्म होने वाले थे, Rahul called me कि यार bro, what's next? Do you have anything for me right now? I told him, bro, I don't have anything for you right now. You don't need FB. I think that was the discussion we had.
Yeah, and then FB came into place. So I was taking my time also to set systems. Sometimes you need to look at growth and stability phase, which you also say, right?
Definitely.
I rejoined FB at my highest.
Hmm.
I rejoined
This
FB when
was
this
October
was
last year, right?
September last year.
September
I
2024.
texted you. I said, boss, ये मेरा हुआ है, इतने मेरे अच्छे खासे numbers जा रहे हैं, and आप बताओ क्या करना है. मेरा FB पे आने का कोई मोटिव नहीं था कि मैं बिजनेस को ग्रो करूंगा. ना ही मेरा बिजनेस नंबर में ग्रो हुआ है, बट मेरा जो लोअर लो एवरेज था वो मेरा जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च वाज 12 लाख प्लस, जहां मेरी फरवरी 25 को शादी हुई है, जहां मेरे 2 टीममेट्स कॉल्स पे उतरे हैं, जहां हम अभी एवरेज एक्विजिशन जो कर रहे हैं दैट इज 21,000 प्लस GST पर मंथ. ओके, हाई टिकट में ये इंडिया में हाई टिकट है, लोग सुन के फोन रख देते हैं. ओके, 70,000 प्लस GST, 80,000 रुपए मैं आपसे लूंगा 4 महीने के, अगर आप मेरे साथ काम करोगे तो. My team is also not charging less. They are also at 12 to 14,000 rupees averagely per month. कुछ हम केसेस में जरूर कंसिडर करते हैं, but we are vocal about it. We simply do not want to work with everybody. And fun fact, मैंने आज तक एक भी वीडियो कॉल पे सेल नहीं करी है. मैं सारी वॉइस कॉल्स लेता हूँ. मेरी टीम भी सारी वॉइस कॉल्स लेती है. हम वीडियो कॉल पे नहीं जाते. हमारे अपनी अलग आइडियोलॉजी है. हम उस पर बिलीव करते हैं कि नहीं यार, हमारे पास में हम वीडियो कॉल करें, कैसे करें. आई नो वीडियो कॉल डेफिनेटली इज स्ट्रॉन्गर इनफ फॉर पीपल. Second thing is, both the coaches are my virtual assistants. They manage my DMs. They manage my revisions of plans, which happens every Tuesday, every Friday, every Sunday. I have a system in place. When I release a Google Sheet to a client, I update it every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. And if I see the client is not performing well, I have the entire dialer in my hand. अगर मुझे वो बंदा सही लगा, उसने अच्छी तरीके से प्रोसेस करा, मैं जरूर उसको एक्सटेंडेड सपोर्ट दे दूंगा. वहां पे नहीं दिखाई दिया, नहीं होगा. मैं मंथली प्लान भी करता हूँ. मैं 3 months और 4 months का लॉन्ग टर्म करता हूँ. मेट्रिक्स पे पहुंचने के लिए जो ये फिगर्स मेरे एवरेजली इंक्रीज हुए हैं, आई हैव इंक्रीज्ड माय प्राइसिंग more than 13 times from August 2023, and I still see no resistance. I still listen to people जो कहता है हाँ जी महंगा है, महंगा है. But then when you are also, talking about 3,000 dirhams in Dubai, people are happily accepting it. In India also people are accepting it. There are a lot of misconceptions with people कि हम इस प्राइस पे आप एक हाउसवाइफ को सेल नहीं कर सकते. ओ भाई, बॉम्बे और दिल्ली में रहने वाले ऐसे लोग भी हैं जो इस प्राइस पे आपकी सर्विसेज अफोर्ड तभी करेंगे. पहली बात तो आपको बिलीव होना चाहिए. सेकंड थिंग, योर सर्विस शुड बी सो लेजेंडरी दैट यू आर एबल टू पुट इट अक्रॉस टू देम and you're able to get that kind of results. When you talk about market sophistication, I have a point to add. No matter how much ever before afters you may add today, no matter how much ever education you want to give it to people today, the sentimental aspect of you shouldn't be missing in any of this, which is you being you, because people
Definitely,
connect with
bro.
that.
I think that's what connect to the story. And every morning, every coach. I mean, this is year 8, year 9 in business. मेरे तो business भी 2 हैं. फिर भी मैं उठ के पहले अपनी कहानी ही सोचता हूँ. I lost 44 kg. I actually think that. And content में वो चीज energy आती है. So that has to be. That's not something which you just use for marketing. That's a part of that should become a part of you.
So with again, when you say that, okay, you're starting a business, you're setting up things. For new coaches, there is something which I definitely would say from the bottom of my heart is that this is new money. If it is new money for you, accept it. Don't indulge into things which you don't think are useful for you. Okay, indulge into better tech, indulge into better things which help you to grow your business. I literally have 2 iPads. I literally have 2 phones right now which I use. Okay, this is good tech for me because I use them so actively, and I am happy to do that. But I would say if you are getting new money, keep a certain budget for indulgence, keep a certain budget for your growth. This is after saying that I've been consistently spending. The last year's spend was 36 lakh rupees on Meta ads. Okay.
Mm.
What I used to earn, I am spending on Meta ads right now. Payout of salaries was close to 24 to 25. Both the head coaches are doing everything from DMs to managing plans to also speaking to people to also coaching them to also making me a part of the group to telling me to updating me and everything else. They both are also doing close to say six figures above 70K plus, and they are aiming to get to 1.5 lakh rupees per month at least, so that they're very well valued and they're also driving business. They are sentimental. I was in Jaipur, I was sitting with them, coaching them. I was trying to make them understand where you are right now here. So, Ajay,
Okay, so Rahul was talking about the energy of his team.
so I have five freelancers, one for PR, one for automation, one for SEO and website, one for ads, one for editing. They take a certain, let's say, share of the business, which is like not a percentage of the business, एक fixed
Mm.
उनकी अपनी remuneration है. दो
Yes.
हेड कोचेज हैं जिनकी अपनी बेस सैलरीज हैं, उसके ऊपर उनका कमीशन है, उसके ऊपर एक और उनका कमीशन आ रहा है. उसके ऊपर बीच में जब मेरे को वो अच्छा लगता है,
Mm.
बढ़िया काम करते हैं, मैं मोटिवेट करता हूँ
इस
उनको साथ में.
पे I'll cover. I would like to
हम्म,
cover 2 minutes on this. Not right now. After 5-10 minutes. थोड़ा सा
हम्म,
मैं recap देता हूँ.
हम्म,
Phase one पे when we worked with Rahul, my goal was simple: solidifying the base of his business. जो starting में राहुल को boring लग रहा था, but within 3 months we were able to get his business from
हम्म,
3 lakhs a month to 10 lakh rupees a month. Rahul was the first posted case study of FBA at 7 figures.
हम्म,
One goal at that part was also adding an organic engine. He had built a good brand, but he was never looking at it from a revenue standpoint. हमने एक organic engine करी थी. He was running ads since a long while, but एक organic
हम्म,
engine भी हमने set करी. Third was, working on service and renewals. That made the base of his business very strong. This was 2023 till August. उसके बाद we started working again in 2024 September. During
हम्म,
this process, we were very free. We had multiple conversations in between whenever anything used to happen, and whenever Rahul had something new, or if he was getting stuck, he was updating me regularly. कि मुझे background में एक idea था कि क्या क्या चल रहा है. Even if we were not officially working together,
हम्म,
we have always been teammates for life. This
हम्म,
phase, when I onboarded him, I had the following goals in my mind. मेरे को
हम्म,
था कि यार he had one teammate at that time, and I know this guy puts a lot of work in his business, right? So my first goal was कि he was doing everything on his own. I wanted to change it in a way that, Rahul, you should only be working on the tasks which are the most high level, which would
हम्म,
maybe thinking, hiring, training the team, or even marketing. Next was, this guy thinks about his business all the time, lives his business. Uh, and I did not want him to worry about that because he was working too much. I wanted to make sure that, during his marriage, he's enjoying his life and his business does not take a hit. Bro, Jan or Feb, he got married around end of Feb. Jan or Feb,
25th.
what were the numbers did you hit, bro? While
Jan,
enjoying
Feb,
your wedding.
and December, Jan, Feb was all 12.5 lakhs. 12
So he
plus.
hit his biggest numbers while having his marriage, and that
Yes,
was the
yes.
number one goal. And one thing was which has worked well for Rahul till now was that he used to think about intricacies and deep details of everything. But at the stage, last conversation I had with Rahul about his business, now I have been like, no, I want your mind to be empty. Just think about the big things, no small things to be taken care of. Now the base is so strong that we have a good team who handles everything, who's able to get in six-figure days um, while he's getting married. I think when he was getting married, he
Yes,
told me
तो
that he had
the fun fact was कि हल्दी की आधी पेमेंट करनी थी ना जस्ट उसके
yeah.
पहले. तो मेरे को वही ट्रिप था, मैं शादी पे जा
Hmm,
रहा हूँ, बारात आ रही है पीछे, यू आर
hmm,
आल्सो
hmm,
देयर, एवरीबॉडी इज हियर.
hmm,
मैंने कहा यार हल्दी तो फ्री थी.
hmm.
तो वो टीम भी ट्रिप कर रही है अलग उसमें, उनका भी शाम को
That's
फोन
it.
आ रहा है, भाई हो गया है, ठीक है, सब कुछ सेट हो गया है. एंड दिस
Hmm,
वाज, so there's one thing which is very personal to me. It was a self-financed wedding.
hmm,
I was able to take care of everything from
hmm,
every aspect of the expense.
hmm,
And I was not completely off work. मैंने
hmm,
अपने शादी वाले दिन पे भी रात को बैठ के थोड़ा सा मैसेजेस चेक
hmm,
करे हैं, कुछ लोगों को एड्रेस
hmm,
करा है, पीपल वर वेरी
hmm,
कोऑपरेटिव.
hmm,
बट दैट मंथ व्हाट आई डिड वाज आई न्यू कि मेरे पास 15 फरवरी से पहले टाइम है.
hmm,
आज मैं खुद भी अपने आप कॉल्स लेता हूँ. I also take
Hmm.
8 to 10 calls myself.
Hmm.
I love crunching numbers. I sit on numbers and I keep crunching them left, right, center, and come to some
Hmm.
percentages, ratios, compare it to the previous
Hmm.
year, talk about what it is, then put it on ChatGPT, then come back with some more graphs and everything.
Hmm. Hmm.
That's my normal scenario, which I like. I like opening Excel sheets and looking at numbers myself.
Hmm.
Everybody doesn't have to be obsessed, but sometimes
Hmm.
you have to put your step down and say that कि यार numbers झूठ नहीं बोल सकते.
100%. I agree.
And you need to look at where you are standing right now, where you want to go in the later future.
Definitely.
Last month, I did 11 lakhs 40,000 rupees. I spent 4 lakh rupees in advertisements. I only got 2 lakh rupees back.
Hmm.
जो मेरे फर्स्ट ट्रांजैक्शन है.
Hmm.
डर नहीं लगा.
Hmm.
2 लाख रुपए और चले जाते तो 1140 माइनस 2 कितना हुआ? 940 तब भी बिजनेस है ना.
Hmm. Hmm.
आउट ऑफ विच
Yes.
अगेन 4.5 5 लाख रुपीज इज रेन्युअल. उसके अलावा रेफरेंसेस हैं. कोई पुराना कीटोएक्स मेंबर वापस आ रहा है, किसी चैट पे मैं $1000 उठा रहा हूँ, किसी साथ बात
Hmm.
करते हुए हो रहा है. अभी एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इन दिस फाइनेंशियल ईयर, इन दिस फाइनेंशियल ईयर लाइक इन द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल, हम बात कर रहे हैं 15-16 अप्रैल को, राइट. 15 दिन के अंदर transactions are from HKD 5500, 23,500 is THB which is Thai baht. पाकिस्तानी रुपी में ट्रांजैक्शन है, कतर रियाल में ट्रांजैक्शन है, एडी में ट्रांजैक्शन है, यूएसडी में, जीबीपी में. जब आप बड़ा गेम खेलोगे तो आपके लिए ये नॉर्मल सी हो जाएगी लाइफ में. I know this is
Definitely.
normal for you, but this is for
Yes.
somebody to listen to it कि सिर्फ इंडिया में फोकस नहीं करना है.
Hmm.
You are a coach, you may focus on Indian diaspora. If you are a coach who's been working with maybe let's say busy professions, or you're working with C-section moms, or you're working with n number of people, वो सिर्फ इंडिया में थोड़ा है, तो बाहर भी है. So today when I spend on marketing budgets, I actively spend on UAE. It's an easier market because I've stayed there for 10 days just like a tourist, but I was not doing touristy stuff. I was trying to find out what people need here, what my vision is going to be about UAE, how do I design plans for them. Now I'm focusing on Bangkok, Hong Kong, and Singapore. So ये ग्रोथ के एस्पेक्ट्स, अब ये नई दिक्कतें हैं लाइफ की. पहले आप कहते थे स्केल अप कर लो, टीम ले लो.
Yes.
दिक्कतें
इस पे
मनी
यार
ट्रैप
इस पे
पे
एक
कहाँ
पॉइंटर
डालें?
लाऊंगा. बहुत अच्छी बात बोली है राहुल ने, because guys, one thing which you need to understand is scaling is not just about numbers. मतलब September में we started working together, me and Rahul. Literally numbers wise we haven't seen anything change. Like on a big number, 1-2 महीने थे जहाँ पे I was like यार profitability better करो, because this guy gives too much to his team. Bro, make your team listen to that. मतलब I am that kind of
There,
person. I am that kind of person who gives too much to my team also. In the sense ki much better than market standards. I have teammates who are making 3-4 lakh rupees every month, right? Which is fine. But मुझे भी कई कबार राहुल के नंबर देख के टेंशन हो जाती है. That I'm that kind of person who's very liberal that way, because background wise I never wanted to make a lot of money that way. So I'm fine with थोड़ी कम profitability also. But Rahul on that end is extreme in my opinion. Extreme in the sense that Rahul को बिठा के कहना पड़ता है कि भाई ये वाला खर्चा कम करो. But a lot of his expenses are like brand building expenses, which are not essentially business expenses, which we can have or can skip. So that way, business is very secure and profitability wise very sorted. Again, now goal was so far was getting him freedom कि भाई सारा काम आपने खुद नहीं करना. And like he mentioned, he's just overlooking stuff, training the team now. Everything else is being done by the team. So now imagine you're the same person, you're making the same number, but you're not doing any work. That is the level of growth which we have achieved in this phase so far. And next phase would be now I want numbers. May onwards, I will be April onwards.
Correction. You start working on things which matter the most.
Yes.
You start creating
Definitely.
content.
That's my word.
You start checking in with people, not with deep check-ins. You start checking in with people to see progress is happening. You have your team coming up to you. And अब क्या है, एक और चीज होती है कि when you pay at this level, okay, when you look at somebody's future. I was in Jaipur last week. Yesterday I did an interview with Femina, got listed. Red FM call आया, मेरा interview था कल. ये normal day है मेरे life का कि दो different publications मुझसे कुछ पूछ रही हैं, कीटो के बारे में कुछ जानना चाह रही हैं. A lot of people do spend on these when you said that okay you can skip it, like PR हो गया, website SEO हो गया, automation हो गया, backend पे planner के. A lot of things can be skipped in. A lot of things on your meta ads can be reduced. I also do it just for brand building and brand hammering as well. Because at the end of the day, it's all about, what is your risk appetite? That matters a
Hmm.
lot.
Hmm.
But when it comes to the team, there was a very emotional moment in Jaipur. It was the last
Hmm.
day and 6 days straight. It was an interconnecting room. We were staying at Civil Lines. I said,
Hmm.
मैं यहाँ पे घूमने नहीं आया हूँ, तुम यहाँ पे आओगे, काम करोगे, तुमने 6 दिन कहीं मूव नहीं करना.
Hmm.
6 days 16 hours का काम होगा, उसके बिना
Hmm.
कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
Hmm.
7वें दिन पे मोहित अनिल देखा मेरे से दैट हमें आपको मंदिर ले जाना है. मैंने कहा क्यों?
Hmm.
मैं
Hmm.
क्या यहाँ पे पूजा कर रहे हैं? कहते नहीं यार, वहां पे हम मंदिर में गए थे बिफोर वी स्टार्टेड वर्किंग विद कीटोरेट्स. वी प्रेड दैट हमारे लाइफ में
Hmm.
रास्ता दिखा दे. I'm at the place where they are saying कि अच्छा यहाँ पे प्रसाद चढ़ाना है, यहाँ पे ये करना है. मैंने अपने चप्पल जूते
Hmm.
उतारे हुए हैं, मैं अपना
Hmm.
बिल्कुल ऐसे normally I'm praying it.
Hmm.
And then I open my eyes, they both have tears in their eyes. They're like, भाई आपने रास्ता दिखा दिया. That is
Wow.
the kind of emotion which I have in my
Hmm.
team कि मुझे पता है कि आज के टाइम पे when they are well paid, they have their future and everything. One wants to buy a polo second hand, second one wants to buy a flat. They have their own sapne, they have their own things altogether. I personally feel that जब तक मुझसे बन रहा है, till the time
Hmm.
I'm not hitting major profitability numbers, I'm
Hmm.
happy to pay them off. And then it's obviously fun. When you meet them for training, they get training bonus. When I was
Hmm.
leaving, I said, ये लो 15-15 हजार रुपए तुम्हारे लिए, तुमने क्योंकि आए मेरे पास में.
Hmm.
Food and everything rest is covered. So I
Hmm.
keep a very limited number of people, but people those who are
Hmm.
emotional, and they're emotional about their clients as well.
Hmm.
So I
Hmm.
love it when they tell me that अच्छा इसके साथ में ये हुआ, इसके साथ में ये हुआ, ये वाला exception था. They just keep discussing things and everything. That's the kind of culture which I'm trying to build it, and this comes from Zomato's experience because when I
Hmm.
I mean somebody who knows about Dipinder Goyal, who is the
Hmm.
founder of Zomato. He used to come to Bombay's office and he used to literally interact with people and understand their goals as well. And
Hmm.
when you work with a startup, you definitely know that okay, there are numbers to look at. And then when I look up
Hmm.
to your also advices, which also gives me a reality check कि
Hmm.
नहीं यार इसके
Hmm.
ऊपर नहीं जाना है, इसके
Hmm.
ऊपर नहीं कर सकते चीजों पे.
Hmm. Because मुझे personally ना, one thing which I've learned since we were discussing numbers also, and the way you are into numbers, I also want certain KPIs for everyone, especially as founders. A lot of times we start underestimating the amount of work we have done,
Yeah.
and the thing which we have built, we think that others deserve more. Your teammates deserve a lot; they deserve a lot of growth, but you are the person who has built everything. You deserve the maximum amount of growth because you are the person who stays up at night when you have a slow month, when you think they won't be paid, they might not be paid. So that way we should know what we deserve, and maybe as a coach I can see that better in a more objective manner as we were discussing. So bhai, back to this. आप जब FBA ज्वाइन कर रहे थे ब्रो, पहले नेक्स्ट गोल डिस्कस करते हैं. नेक्स्ट गोल मेरे माइंड में है कि वो ये 1.2 हिट किया, 1.7 वर्स्ट के सिनेरियो हिट करें इस फाइनेंशियल ईयर में.
100%.
2 is like something which I see happening anyway. So
Yeah.
and that is our next goal. एक चीज है भाई, जब आप FBA ज्वाइन करने वाले थे, this is for people who might have watched an interview from our side. ये interview देख रहे हैं, someone has watched 1 hour of this. That person is interested in obviously your story, but interested in what we do also. When you were joining FBA, bhai, what was the biggest thought holding you back, which might be holding others back also? Also, if someone is watching this video, has been seeing our ads or maybe seeing our YouTube videos or follow us on Instagram, do you have a message for them, bro?
People have two extremes. एक सोचता है कि मैं FBA ज्वाइन करूंगा, मुझे थाली पे सब कुछ मिलेगा और क्लाइंट्स आ जाएंगे. दूसरा एक्सट्रीम है कि कैसे हो जाएगा, इज इट रियली पॉसिबल. आपको अंदाजा भी नहीं कि फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री के अंदर कितना पोटेंशियल है. पहली बात, आपने क्योंकि सिर्फ ना अपने आसपास के लोगों को देखा है. आप हो सकता है किसी एक ऑनलाइन कोच जो अपनी लाइफ में हॉबी की तरह कर रहा है, या एक आप ट्रेनर को मिलके कर रहे हो. जहाँ पे मुझे कितनी बार होता है कि मैं जिम में होता हूँ तो मेरे को वो कहता है अच्छा आप फिटनेस कोच हो. ओ, तो मैंने बोला क्यों करा भाई तूने? नहीं, आपको मैंने पीटी करते हुए देखा. मैंने कहा हर चीज पीटी पे नहीं होती ना लाइफ में. एवरीथिंग इज नॉट जस्ट गोइंग टू बी ऑफलाइन, राइट? सो सेकंड इज इफ यू आर प्रोक्रेस्टिनेटिंग, तो आराम से जिंदगी अपनी जियो. एक बार अपने आपको एक्सेप्ट कर लो कि यार देखो, कल को अगर आपके आंखों के सामने कोई भी चीज दिखाई देगी, आपको लेने में दिक्कत नहीं होगी. परेशान हो जाओगे आईफोन के रेट्स महंगे हो रहे हैं, मैं तो नया ले रहा हूँ, ठीक है, सिंपल है. परेशान हो जाओ जिंदगी में कि छोटी छोटी सोचनी पड़ेगी. मेरी दूसरी कोल्ड ब्रू की कॉफी चल रही है, मेरा ऊपर एक कैन खत्म हो चुका है. ओके, मैं नहीं बना रहा कोल्ड ब्रू, पैसे बहुत है, सीए ने बोला एक्सपेंसेस शो करने हैं, मैं उसको ज्यादा मिलता हूँ अपने कजन से ज्यादा. अगर ये दिक्कत है लाइफ की चाहिए तो आप एफबी का पार्ट बनोगे. अब आप एफबी में आ चुके हो, ठीक है, आपको लग रहा है कि यार ये कोर्स में कुछ चमत्कार होने वाला है. बिल्कुल नहीं होगा, बिल्कुल भी नहीं होगा. The reason why people do not see, them growing despite having the best of the courses is because they do not realize that you have to take full ownership of what you're doing. सेकेंड थिंग इज आपने अगर इंप्लीमेंट ही नहीं करा तो आपको पता ही नहीं होगा क्या. एंड द थर्ड थिंग इज आपने सपोज FBA स्केल स्टार्टर, FBA मास्टरमाइंड, FBA मास्टरमाइंड आप किसी के भी पार्ट बने हो. छोटा एग्जांपल देता हूँ. व्हेन आई साइंड अप फॉर FBA मास्टरमाइंड, हमारा 2 दिन का इवेंट होता है जो चंडीगढ़ में होता है, वेयर YVS एंड हिमांशु, यू नो, दे बोथ आर brainchild, like the FB is their baby. They both will be there. You are obviously much more there. And Himanshu, obviously, he comes in certain events. There are more people also, 30, 40 people, 50 coaches, top coaches meet together. मेरी कैलकुलेशन ये नहीं थी कि मैं इतने पैसे आज दे रहा हूँ. मेरी कैलकुलेशन थी मैं इतने पैसे पे हर 3 महीने में ट्रैवल करूंगा, हर 3 महीने में स्टे करूंगा. ठीक है, मैं वहां पे जाकर के इतना अपना इन्वेस्ट करूंगा और उसकी मेरे को लाइफ टाइम वैल्यू क्या है. तो अगर कोई इंसान यहाँ पे पेपर पेन लेके बैठा है तो आप सोचो मैंने दिए टोटल मिला के 4.5 लाख रुपए, 4 लाख रुपए राउंड फिगर पकड़ लेते हैं. मेरा बिजनेस था 33 लाख पे. 33 लाख का अगर मैं 33 का इन्फ्लेशन पकड़ के मैं 33 का 40 भी कर लेता, 40 का 50 भी कर लेता, मान के चलो, तो 50 + 40 इक्वल टू 90, 90 + 30 कितना, 1 20 होता. उस 1 20 की जगह पे मैंने 33 + 70, 1 करोड़ प्लस 1.25 करोड़, 1 20 का मैंने 2 करोड़ 25 लाख रुपए करे हैं. मेरी 4 लाख के इन्वेस्टमेंट में मुझे 25 गुना रिटर्न आ रहा है 1 करोड़ लाइफ टाइम में. क्योंकि आज तुम ब्रांड बना के ना,
मेरे सर के ऊपर से निकल गई भाई कि भाई सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट, बट मैच मेरे सर के ऊपर से निकल गई.
बट
25x हो गई आपकी ROI.
आई एम सेइंग इफ यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग टुडे, इफ आई signed up with you for 3 months, did I sign up for 3 months? No, I didn't. I
Yes.
came with you कि 3 महीने आप मुझे ज्ञान देंगे, 3 महीने में इम्प्लीमेंट करूंगा, उसके बाद जो तुम कमा रहे हो उसको कौन देखेगा? वो तो तुम पहले नहीं कर रहे थे.
डेफिनेटली भाई.
तो क्या है, पोटेंशियल वैल्यू जो होती है किसी भी चीज की, वो
हम्म.
जब इंसान एसेस नहीं कर पाता तो वो अभी ना अपनी कॉस्ट जस्टिफाई करने लगता है. When
Right.
somebody says that Rahul, you are selling at 21,000 plus GST to somebody, this is literally what my logic is. Today you are losing fat. For anybody who's watching this, you want to lose fat, you lose fat. What is going to change? Your relationship is going to improve. आपको स्लीप apnea, आप snore करते हो, आपकी बीवी दूसरे कमरे में सोती है. सोचो 3 महीने बाद 7 सोने लग गई.
Wow.
भाई तो मतलब क्या वैल्यूबल चीज है.
Now I understand how you are closing tickets for 70,000
Yes,
per GST.
yes, because for these kind of people, they have major issues. Similarly, for me myself, when you say that okay, FBA में जो लोग करना चाहते हैं, people would sign up and they would say that okay, हमें डायरेक्टली वाइवेस के टच में नहीं है. तो कर लो भाई, मैं नंबर दे देता हूँ, कर लो, बातें कर लो. बातें करके क्या होगा, पहले तुम्हें तो इम्प्लीमेंट करना पड़ेगा ना.
डेफिनेटली भाई.
इम्प्लीमेंट इतना करो कि कल को तुम्हारी केस स्टडी आए. इम्प्लीमेंट इतना करो कि कल को तुम इतना बड़ा क्वेश्चन लेकर के आओ कि दूसरा बंदा पर्सनली कनेक्ट कर बैठे कि मतलब यार कुछ तो गड़बड़ करी, कुछ तो सीन हो रहा है इस बंदे के साथ में.
Definitely.
But this is where the most of the courses and places and people do not see this, that they buy something and they don't take full ownership and then they expect it that कि इतने ही महीने में मेरे को ROI मिल जाएगा. What did I say? 7x the investment which I made in the time frame I was working with. In total, that time frame has given me 25x the investment. So then when I came to you for FB, and मैं तो पुराना हिसाब था, मुझे तो देने के ना, मैं तो वापस आ गया, मैंने कर लिया, ठीक है. And I was not expecting anything to be done. I was already at my highest. I said मैं last time आया था lowest पे, अब मैं अपने highest पे आऊंगा. FB में मुझे क्या फायदे हैं? मुझे 3 फायदे हैं FB में. एक तो कम्युनिटी है, दूसरा कोई क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है, मेरा ऐड नहीं चल रहा है या मेरी ऑफर फाइल अच्छी नहीं है, आपका सबकॉन्शियस ब्रेन बोलेगा भैया उसकी अच्छी नहीं है, वो छोड़ो, अपनी तो देखो पहले कहाँ है.
That's a very good pointer actually.
ठीक है, you start
community में you learn from others also.
You learn from others. Second thing is that I had never met you personally. ठीक है, तो मेरे लिए तो वो था कि यार हर 3 महीने में एक इवेंट होगा, आप 4 लोगों को मिलते हो, बात करते हो, किसी से कुछ पूछते हो, किसी से आप अगर मान लो कभी आपकी कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है, कोई इशू होता है, आप किसी से डिस्कस करते हो. Not everything can be discussed with your mentor. Not everything can be discussed with YVS personally कि हेलो हाँ ये मेरे साथ दिक्कत हो रही है. नहीं, मैं नहीं बताऊंगा कि मैंने डेली ऑब्जेक्ट्स का नया केस ले आया है, उसमें डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है. You not interested into this. मैं शिवाशीष को बताऊंगा वो बात, ठीक है, मैं उस पर ट्रिप कर रहा हूँ उसके साथ में. So the vision with FBA was very different because it was not about growth, it was about consistency and stability. Where I got, say, if I sum it up in FBA, I got 3 things. One, the method. Second, the confidence and the validation as a coach. Third is the route to scale. Okay. In FBA, which are 3 things which I got, is one is delegation, less working, also mental peace, empowering your team. Second is that whatever you're doing is good, but again, keep a check on numbers, which actively we keep doing through sheets, through other ways as well. And the third thing which I got was, I can say, the community and a connect where I can say that it is damn valuable for somebody to be here and do things around. Again,
Definitely.
somebody who should not be a part of this is if you're not clear about your life, that is this the thing which you will enjoy. फिर आप ना खींच रहे हो, फिर आप उसको पैसों के लिए खींच रहे हो, फिर आप एक क्विक रिच स्कीम की तरह सोच रहे हो कि नहीं यार अच्छा काम करेंगे, हम किसी को सेल कर देंगे अपनी सर्विसेज, आज कर लोगे बहुत अच्छी बात है, आज कर लोगे 10 लाख 15 लाख कर लोगे, 20 लाख कर लोगे आज के टाइम पे, ब्रांड नहीं होगा, आगे जाके डाई डाउन हो जाएगा, तो वो पीक पे चले जाओगे, उसमें इतने एक्सपेंसेस बढ़ जाएंगे, फिर आप डाई डाउन हो जाएगा, फिर आप बोलोगे अच्छा यार ये तो सिर्फ एक फसाड था। काफी लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो कहते हैं हम अपने टाइम में बड़े अच्छे कोच थे, टाइम नहीं बदला, आप बदल गए, और आप टाइम के साथ बदले नहीं फिर। So that's where the
Great points, bro.
Yes, sir.
Bro, these are great points from Rahul for coaches who want to excel in this space and want to get at this level, because but 7 figures, and next we are talking, next time I interview him he'll be at multiple 7 figures. 7 figures घर बैठे बैठे, in a way it's an online business, very high profit margin, 60%, मतलब इस level पे भी अगर कर रहे हो 60% you can easily hit, and plus you are able to change lives and do what you love. Great tips from your side, bro. And time for my favorite part of this interview, where I share that why Rahul is the number one coach for keto peeps in the country. And I had already written these 3 pointers before, but now after spending more than 1 hour with you here, every point makes a lot of sense. Number one is this guy has a real mission and a real story. अपनी शादी पे भी ये काब्स नहीं खा रहा बंदा. So if you have such deep conviction about what you're doing, you'll change the game. It's not just about money. Money is something which follows. It's a mission. You change lives, and money is something which follows. So that is super deep here. Next, he's actually solving a big problem. As he mentioned that his clients are not just about fat loss. Fat loss is a part of it. But it's like, sleep apnea, he's fixing epilepsy, and, he's fixing deep problems for, some of the top entrepreneurs, top actors in the country. So, he's solving big problems. Next is, this guy has spent years building his, systems and service. FBA jab khadam hua, literally, this is 2023. What was he doing from August 2023 to, September 2024? That's like 13 months. This guy was solidifying his systems, solidifying his service, because when he got back to me, he was like, bro, you gave me a goal. Now my renewals are at 5 lakh rupees a month. That's what you told me around, this was May last year, I guess, sometime around that. And next is, this guy lives his business. This guy lives keto. And this guy lives his business, in the sense that, he's always thinking about business, thinking about depths of business, which worries me at times. Ki yaar, maine last time ye bola ki bhai, there should be a certain part of your day where you're not thinking about your clients, you're not thinking about keto, you're not thinking about a business, you're not thinking about your team, right? But the way he's managing everything, it's like exceptional. And the way he is building base for himself, his team, his clients, it's exceptional. And like I mentioned, that this is one of the rare cases जहाँ मुझे tension लेनी पड़ती है कि please do not give too much to team, because you have to give too much to team, but you need to make sure your business grows. For that, we need to hit certain KPIs. And this was an awesome hour with Rahul. Rahul, a lot of people would get inspired from this. A lot of people would want to do keto also. A lot of coaches would want to see this. Could you please share your Instagram and your YouTube and any other thing which you want to share, so that people can connect with you, follow you?
@KetoRats on Instagram. KetoRats.com is the website. YouTube is also @KetoRats. और कीटो कोच भी गूगल करोगे तो टॉप लिंक पे हो, तो कहीं से भी ढूंढ सकते हैं.
That was a subtle flex.
Subtle flex, yeah, absolutely subtle flex.
That is awesome.
Last thing which we were adding with this was related to the niche which we spoke about. This could be maybe, let's say, not off topic. There are people those who find niches and they feel that their niche does not have that potential. Niche is something which you target yourself. People would come to you, attract to you if you're genuine to anything you do. It's not related to you working with a specific set of people. It's just that the moment when you target a niche, you're literally zeroing down whom you can work with, so that you can at least focus on that segment. And it's not about being in a multi-niche or something, like how Trained by YBS has the simple vision of the last time you died, right? Now, it could be as broad as that as well. It could be a diet centric as keto as well. It could be very micro niche as well. I think it's you versus you when you are
Definitely.
saying that potential nahi hai ya kuch nahi hai. तो that's the only thing which I would say that keep
Definitely, and I
killing.
think that was the first thought of yours when
हाँ.
we started working together. That yeah, keto saturated to nahi hai. But
Hmm.
when I think we had the discussion, I told him कि भाई, you are the only good coach I have seen in keto so far in this country.
है 2-3 लोग बट उनको फिर वो एंट्री बैरियर आप चेंज कर देते हो ना.
Bro,
I
you would always seem like the number one coach to me because we have an emotional connect. I have an emotional connect with your business also. So for me, you
I
are
get
always number one. But
absolutely.
objective marker से भी अगर मैं अपना subjective emotion हटा दूं, you are number one, and that's a fact. And it's not just me who's saying that. Lot of people who would listen to this would also understand why am I saying that, not just randomly hyping you up. And
Thank you
that's
so
all,
much.
guys. Thank you for tuning in. If you want to join FBA or something like that, there would be links. If you want to follow Rahul, there would be links in the caption. And I'm so excited for this interview to get released because this would inspire not just hundreds, but thousands of coaches. So, and, this would push a lot of people who have, who maybe have a controversial way of doing things, but are scared of, putting that out in the world. Look at Rahul. And thank you for
Last
tuning
one thing
in.
to add on.
Yes,
Last one
yes,
thing
right,
to add on.
please.
Sorry,
Yes,
I
right,
speak
please. All
averagely
us.
to at least 1 or 2 coaches every single month. Those who want to subscribe to FBA. If you're a person
Hmm.
who's been curious to know more basic things itself, from my perspective, not from his perspective,
Hmm.
I would simply get on a call with you. I'm happy to spare out my time, but I would keep it very precise. अगर मुझे लगेगा भाई तुम FBA के नहीं हो अच्छे, मैं तुम्हें मना कर
Hmm.
दूंगा मत करो. I'll ask you 3 questions simply itself, and I do that quite a
Hmm.
lot of times to people. Some of them are definitely subscribed into. They have gone through the process. They have thanked me later, and always happy to help.
Thank you so much, Sai.
अब
Thank you
आप
so much for your
रख
time.
दीजिए.
And I'm so proud of you, bro. And guys, we'll have another interview super soon again. Once we reach multiple 7 figures, should be happening this year. And that is what, guys. Have a great day, great week ahead. And hope you got a lot of inspiration, a lot of value. And see you all. Bye.